Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar Wave to Earth. Cool group. Sing It All Again is the song I choose to go for now. If you are a fan of them, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. They will be back for sure. So, before we move on with this tutorial, I have a new channel. Yes, it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. We have a link up here. I want you to help me out on that channel as well. So, go and subscribe to that one. It's a different style of teaching than this. You have a full playthrough on that channel. Chords shown on the screen. Just follow along and learn a song from A to Z. It's a beautiful scenario. So help me out, guys. Thank you so much for support. Now let's focus on singing it all again. We have no need for any capo here. We have need for chords. So let's go through them. We're gonna start with D first. So that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have G next. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We also got the A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have the G minor, which is a bar chord. So place any string like this, covering all strings on the third fret. And then you need to add fifth A and fifth D. Now, there's the chords. Let's focus on the strumming. So the strumming will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yes, 4 times down, up. Okay, that is one string around because we have a lot to work with here. So it's easier to think in clusters of 4 here. So if you grab the D, which is the first chord, you're gonna play. That is one string around. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that is how we keep this song and rhythm floating. So 4 rounds right there. I don't count, you just feel when it's time. So that is the whole idea here. So let's go into the song and we're gonna start from the beginning, of course, verse play. You're gonna play D, 8 string rounds, G, 2, E minor 2, and D4. So 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now G, 2, and E minor, 2, and D, 2, 3, and 4. That is one chord progression round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Actually, the first and only verse in the song. Then we're gonna hit that chorus about 1 minute and 1 second in. You're gonna play the first round is D4, G4, and that's it. And then the second round will be D4, G3, and E minor 1, and it goes like this: 2, 3, 4, now G, 2, 3, 4, back to D, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3, and E minor. And then you're gonna finish off with D, 8 string rounds. Okay, that is the first chorus, and after that comes the bridge part. Yes, now we're gonna play D4, A minor 2, and G2. Okay, you're gonna do that for 3 times, so 3 rounds of that: D4, A minor 2, G2. After that, you're gonna go into the G minor and play that for 4 string rounds, and then you almost finish out with the D8, G2, E minor 2, and D8. It's a lot of strumming here. I don't see see the need of me showing all you like the playing here. You just get the idea of how you're gonna play the strumming. So all that considering being one big bridge, and that's it. So after that, you're gonna finish off with the second and final chorus, and it's played exactly in the same way as you played the first one. And there you go, guys. Sing it all again. Wave to Earth. A great song. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.